The Government of India enacted the Dam Safety Act 2021 as an endeavour to prevent dam failure-related disasters by evolving uniform dam safety procedures across the country and to provide surveillance, inspection, operation and maintenance of dams. Under this Act, the National Dam Safety Authority was set up and mandated to prepare 19 regulations regarding dam safety. These 19 regulations establish uniform safety standards, regular inspection protocols and emergency preparedness measures with national safety guidelines for long-term dam sustainability and can be strategically grouped into 6 major categories to streamline implementation and ensure comprehensive dam safety. Dam safety surveillance and inspection related regulations set the framework for achieving structural integrity, risk mitigation and long-term sustainability of dams. These include guidelines, standards and other directions for achieving the satisfactory level of dam safety assurance. Guidelines and checklists for dam inspections, quality control measures in dam construction. Regulations on documentation and record keeping ensures that inspection reports, maintenance logs and safety data are properly recorded, stored and analyzed for information decision making and compliance, covering maintenance of logbooks and databases and data collection and storage. Competency and qualification related regulations specify the qualifications, training and competency standards necessary for engineers and personnel responsible for dam management and maintenance. The regulations on instrumentation and monitoring mandates the installation, maintenance and analysis of monitoring systems to provide real-time insights and early warnings. These cover minimum number of instrumentation requirements and manner of their installation, analysis and reporting of instrumentation readings, data requirements of hydrometeorological stations, data requirements of seismological stations. The timelines for assessments and updates related regulations specify the initial timelines for completing these studies and time interval for updating the same. These regulations pertain to risk assessment studies, comprehensive dam safety evaluation preparation of emergency action plans and review of design floods, risk assessment studies, comprehensive dam safety evaluation and emergency action plans need to be completed by December 2026 and subsequently updated at 10 years interval. The regulations on some of the miscellaneous aspects have also been notified. These include vulnerability and hazard classification criteria of specified dams, mandatory review of site-specific seismic parameter studies, and measures necessary to ensure dam safety by every owner of dam other than specified dams. All 19 regulations have been prepared in consultations with water resources professionals, domain experts, dam fraternity, academia and legal experts and published in the Official Gazette of India. These regulations provide specific steps for enforcement and compliance of the provisions of the Dam Safety Act and carry the force of law and must be followed just like the main statute. Let us join hands together to ensure that every dam stands strong, protecting lives, safeguarding communities and securing our nation's future.